upper body rotations for upper spine mobility. This is for those of you who have tight upper back. What you do, lay on the side. Knees and ankles are together. Side of the leg is on the floor. Clasp your hands. Put it behind your head. And now you rotate. Try to touch the shoulder to the floor. Keeping the leg planted. Come back to the start point. Rotate. Try to let the shoulder touch the floor. You come back. And then when you're done, and you finish with the required amount of repetitions, you switch to the other side. And rotate. Try to make the shoulder touch the floor. If you can't, that's okay. Come back to the start point. Rotate. Okay? So this is how you rotate the upper body to get some upper spine mobility.